Hi, you guys. Miss Cordling here. I'm going to give you an overview of the All About Me Locker lesson. So your essential questions are, who am I and who is my class? And your I can statement is, I can share some of my identity using pictures. So Miss Rolfe and I would like to get to know you, and we want you guys to get to know each other. So we're going to use a virtual locker for you to decorate, and that will teach us a little bit about you. So you're going to click on our lockers over here so that you can get a preview of them and see what you can learn about us by looking at our lockers. And I'm wondering if you think all of our stuff will fit into our lockers. And then while you're looking, think about things about you that you can share with your peers, that you're willing to share with us and your peers. But here's the catch. I want you to not use words. I would like you to communicate through pictures because that is what art is all about. We're using visual language. At school, if we were actually in school, one of the first things that you would do is set up your locker. So since we're not in school, we're going to use a virtual locker. And at school, you would be able to do things to the inside, but not the outside. However, we are working in virtual remote world, and you can do whatever you want as long as you keep it school appropriate. So I am going to shoot a video and post it right here. You can watch that video about how to create your virtual locker and then make a copy of the options list. So all you have to do is click that and it will automatically ask you if you want to make a copy. So go ahead and do that. And what will appear for you is a little checklist of some suggestions. And the instruction says choose at least 5 things to decorate your locker. So you can check off what you would like to do, like I might do a picture of my pet, school appropriate meme that cracks me up, and maybe you will think of some things that we don't have on your list, so you can add some things that are just your choice. Okay, so that's there to help you think of things. And then in Google Classroom, if you go find the assignment for the All About Me locker, you will get a template of a locker. Our lockers at Elm are red, so we gave you some red lockers, and you're going to decorate your locker. So here is your locker, and I'm going to show you how to decorate it in a separate video. Then we want you to give all your classmates a really brief tour of your locker in Flipgrid. So we have Flipgrids already linked for you, and you need to choose your teacher, so don't post to the wrong one. If you happen to do that, you won't get credit for it. You'll have to repost. So post your presentation of your locker. It should be really short. And then don't forget in Google Classroom to mark it as done. So here's your closure question. If somebody looks at your locker, are they going to learn something about who you are? And then for assessment, did you do it and did you add enough stuff? So make sure you have 5 things in there. And I'm going to show you in the video how to hyperlink images to resources, which is really fun. And just as a note, you guys cannot use Bitmoji in school. Some of you might have access to it some other ways. So if you want to add some sort of avatar in there, you can try doing that. That is not required, but you might have fun doing it, okay? And as always, if you need help, there is a little help button behind this thing that's popping up, okay? All right, so watch the video on how to do this assignment.